so much for being here. I hope everyone is having a fantastic weekend so far. I am super excited, as you can see from the description below. Today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and it's actually a pretty brand new subscription in general, and that is the Variety Fun Snack Box. And this is the Fun Box. This was very kindly sent to me for review and to share with you guys, so thank you so much, Variety Fun, for sending this to me. I do appreciate it. But before we get in, I'm going to tell you a little bit about them. This box contains over 40 snack items, and it is like crazy, the brands, like over 500 brands, and it's only $24.99 a month, which is fantastic. That is just over 50 cents a snack. And I don't know about you guys, but this mama is thinking summer break is about 6 weeks away. We're gonna need snacks in the house. We have snacks now, but we're gonna need more, and this is fantastic. I know that they do also offer like for businesses, things like that, but this is obviously the home version, and this is the Fun Box. They do have a healthy snack box as well, so there are two options. And like I said, it's only $24.99. Now, I do have a link down below. If you use that and you use the coupon code FUN25, you can get your first box for 25% off. So a little less than $19 for over 40 snacks. So that will be down below. Definitely check it out. And yeah, let's get to unboxing and seeing what this is all about. I know that Christopher is going to be very excited because he loves snacks. He's an 8-year-old boy. And my 38-year-old husband loves snacks as well. I mean, so do I. I mean, I have my moments where I'm like, I need something sweet. And then you're like, oh, but now I need something salty. So I just cut the seal here. It did come in an outer brown shipping box. I did take it out of that. But I just cut this right here. So, it says taste, explore, enjoy, and you can follow them on Facebook and Instagram. But, oh, there's a little note. But this is what I see when we open it. There are all kinds of snacks, and you can see they are like the good ones. So we'll go through it in just a second. I'm just going to take a look here at the note. So it's Variety Fun. And it says, "Hi Nikki, we love watching your unboxing review videos. Because we love what you do so much, we wanted to send you one of our snack boxes to try. We hope you have fun while you taste, explore, and enjoy this delicious box of snacks. They're a Variety Fun team." So that was very nice. All right, so let's get to pulling out these snacks and see exactly what they sent. So now I wanted this right here on top. I actually got in another box. It was the Degusta box. We can't get that anymore here in the US. But Christopher loved it. It's these little popcorn chips that are like kettle corn. He loved them. So yay for item number 1. Number 2 is going to be a hit. Some Cool Ranch Doritos. We got some cheddar and sour cream Ruffles. Those are really good. I like those. Oh, I love these. The veggie straws. These are the sea salt. I like the ranch ones too. These are really good. And we have some hot fries. My husband will enjoy those. We have some cheese doodles, the baked puff ones. We have some organic My Super Cookie Chocolate Heroes whole grain cookies. So they did put some healthy stuff in here, which is good. I gotta sneak this to Christopher and he won't even know. This is, my husband will love. This is the crunchy cheese doodles. And then now these are the cheese puffs. I prefer the Chester Cheeto cheese puffs. We have some Funyuns. This literally is a variety. This is awesome. They picked a fabulous name. This is Pop Chips. So these are potato chips, barbecue. I've never seen these before. So because it says potato, so I'm guessing they're like kind of like a popped version of potato. Maybe like the Lay's poppable type things, similar to that, but we'll try them. And then we have some Chex Mix. Love this. My husband loves Cheez-Its. So does Christopher. Oh, we have some animal crackers. Yay. Awesome. And then we have, oh, these are so good. The grandma's, the cookies. There's 2 of them in here. The peanut butter. My husband will definitely take these. I know he will. He'll take these as well. Some salted peanuts from Planters. And he'll take these. Real spicy cheddar. The Lance sandwich crackers. These are so good. I love the like the cheddar cracker, but the peanut with the peanut butter in them. Those are so good. They're my favorite. Oh, now I like these too. The Nicki cookies. These are lemon cream. Those will be really good. I'll enjoy those. Oh, we have some Nutter Butter Bites. We have a really good variety. Using variety for variety fun. We have a really good variety of like sweet and salty here. We have some, oh, these are the circus animal cookies, but they're the ones with the like the icing on them. So those are good. We have some Lay's barbecue. I have this like massive pile of snacks going on over here. Oh, I love these. My grandmother always had these in her house in a glass cookie jar when I was growing up. They're the Keebler, these are the bite size. The chocolate chip with the little mini M&Ms. Love these. And then we have, this is from the Pure Sweetness Baking Company, Vanilla Wafer Mini Cookies. Okay. I was seeing peanut butter over here. It was peanut. It was throwing me off. It's made in a peanut-free facility. From the Pure Sweetness, we have some mini chocolate chip cookies. Oh, and then we have, Christopher will love this. We have 2 bags here of the mini Oreos. Yum, yum. See what I'm saying? This is like the perfect box for summer break. Or really anytime when you have at least one kid, especially when that kid is a boy, a growing boy. Y'all, he's about to eat me out of house and home. So, all right. So, ooh, these are good. The Nature Valley Trail Mix, the fruit and nut bar. And surprisingly enough, he actually likes these. And then we have a Quaker Chewy granola bar. This is the peanut butter chocolate chip. He likes those as well. So he does like some snacks that aren't too terrible for him. Let's see. Here we have the Welch's mixed fruit snacks. We have Mott's assorted fruit snacks. I know that this is variety fun, but the variety, seriously, again, we have sweet, we have salty, we have chips, we have crackers, we have cookies, we have like peanut bars, peanuts, granola bars, fruit snacks. It's seriously like the best variety of snacks. Oh, we have some more of the grandma's cookies. We have 2 sets of these. This is my favorite. These are the chocolate chip. There's 2 of these in each pack. Love these. Seriously, this box just blows my mind for $24.99. And like I said, I have the link and the code down below for you guys that will get you your first month for, like I said, less than $19. It's awesome. Oh, and now we have some candy. Christopher will take this for sure. An orange Airhead. So that was awesome. Another Nature Valley. This is the sweet and salty nut bar. This is the peanut. And again, Christopher loves these. Oh, some more Cheez-Its. These are the white cheddar. My husband loves these as well. We have a fruit roll-up. And we have, Christopher and I both love these. We have 2 Rice Krispie treats. Yum. I had found, and he actually really enjoyed the birthday cake Rice Krispie treats. And then we have a pack of 6 of the regular size Oreos. Yay. And we have one more, and this snack will be for Mama. It is one of the Stroop waffles. It's the caramel. I love these so much. I love these. Warm it up on your cup. Why have I never noticed that on this package? You can put it on top of your cup of coffee and kind of heat it up. I'm so doing that in the morning. So yeah. That was the variety, wasn't it? So like I said, this box to me is absolutely, I mean, the concept was fantastic, but actually going through and opening all of this and seeing the variety and assortment of snacks and everything, it just, you know, you can't beat it. And like I said, $24.99 a month. It's less than 50 cents a snack. Some of these, like this right here, I know is $1 something in the gas station. We got 3 of these. We got 2 chocolate chip and a peanut butter. You know, so you're paying, like I said, just over 50 cents a snack. Totally worth it. Like I said, especially with spring or summer break coming up in about 6 weeks. So yes, this box is amazing. So check that link out down below, and the coupon, like I said, that will get your first box for just under $19. And let me know what you guys think. Don't forget, we do have the 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so you do want to make sure you enter if you've not already. I hope everyone has a fantastic day, and I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.